start. The order dated 31st/5/2019 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana granting bail to respondent numbers 1 and 2 is assailed in this appeal by the Serious Fraud Investigation Office, Stopera. An investigation was directed to be conducted into the affairs of Adarsh Group of companies and LLPs by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred under section 212 subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013 and subsections 2 and 3 of section 43 of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 stop. Inspectors were appointed by the director, SFIO to carry out the investigation. Stop. Respondent numbers 1 and 2 were arrested pursuant to the approval granted by the director, SFIO, on 10/12/2018. Stop. On 20/12/2018, the High Court of Delhi directed interim release of respondent numbers 1 and 2 in writ petition criminal numbers 3842 of 2018 and 3843 of 2018. Stop para. The order of the High Court was set aside by this court on 27/3/2019, following which respondent numbers 1 and 2 surrendered on 1/4/2019. Stop. Respondent numbers 1 and 2 were remanded to 14 days judicial custody on 5/4/2019. Stop. On account of continuation of the investigation, the Special Court, Gurgaon extended the judicial custody of respondent numbers 1 and 2 to 16/5/2019. Stop. In the meanwhile, respondent numbers 1 and 2 filed regular bail applications for being released on bail before the High Court on 3/5/2019. Stop para. The applications were directed to be listed on 21/5/2019 by the High Court. Stop. The High Court further directed the trial court extended the judicial custody of respondent numbers 1 and 2 till 30/5/2019. Stop para. Criminal complaint under section 439 read with section 212 subsection 15 of the Companies Act 2013 was filed before the Special Court, Gurugram on 18/5/2019. Stop. The Special Court directed registration of the complaint and listed the matter on 24/5/2019 for considering summoning of the accused persons. Stop. Respondent numbers 1 and 2 filed applications for statutory bail under section 167 subsection 2 of the CRPC on 25/2019. Stop. These said applications were dismissed by the Sessions Judge, Gurugram on 22/5/2019 on the ground that the complaint under section 439 subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013 was filed on 18/5/2019, that is, before the expiry of the 60 days period prescribed in Proviso A to section 167 subsection 2 of the CRPC. Stop para. The High Court considered the regular bail applications filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 on 31st/5/2019 and directed their release on bail on the ground that they were entitled to statutory bail. Stop. The sole reason given for grant of bail by the High Court is that the trial court has not taken cognizance of the complaint before the expiry of the 60 days period, which entitled respondent numbers 1 and 2 to statutory bail, as a matter of indefeasible right. Stop para. We have heard Mr. Aman Lekhi learned additional solicitor general appearing on behalf of the appellant, Mr. Vikram Chaudhary, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent numbers 1 and 2, and Mr. Mukul Rohtagi, learned senior counsel for the interner.